Hey guys, Devon Brown, the Success Renegade here, and today I want to give you a magical question. It's not really magical, but whatever. I'm sorry, I just love the marketing hype that I don't even mean to do, but I'm such a marketer, I'm like, ooh, the question is magical. Whatever. It's a good question, though. It's a question that you need to ask yourself and every day. And if the answer to this question is yes, then it means that you're probably on the path to achieving your goals really, really, really quickly. Which is awesome, right? We have these goals and we have these things we want in life and we want to achieve them extremely quickly. If you ask yourself this question at the end of every day and the answer is yes, 9 times out of 10, then you are on the path to achieving your goals extremely quickly. So what is this magical question? Magic. It's not magic. This is magic. Woo! I'm sorry. The magical question is, did I win today? That's what you need to ask yourself. Did I win today? What I want to do is it's easier if I give you an example. And so let's talk about this in the context of achieving your goals. And let's assume that you're looking to lose weight. I'm sorry. That came out wrong. I'm going to give you a real life example. Let's talk about this in the context of achieving your goals as far as your weight is concerned. That's what I meant to say, right? Let's assume that you want to lose weight, right? And we know that in order to lose weight, you have to do 2 things primarily. There are 2 things that are primarily responsible for you losing weight and getting to your ideal weight. And those are you eating right and are you exercising? Okay? So the question is, when you go to bed at night, or when you wake up in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, you have an idea, you know what you're supposed to be doing during the day, right? And so the question, it's a really simple question you ask yourself at the end of the day is, did I do whatever the heck it is that I set out to do? And I want to take that a step further. Success overall is winning overall is about what I like to call getting a whole bunch of little wins or micro wins. Okay? If you went to the gym, even though you didn't feel like it, that's a win. But let's break this down even further. While you're at the gym and you're working out, are you winning on each exercise you do individually? Are you winning on each rep you do inside of a set of the exercise that you are doing? And here's what I mean by that. Are you just going through the motions? Or are you actually winning on each exercise that you do? So let's say I go to the gym and I'm lifting weights. When I lift weights, or when you lift weights, when anybody lifts weights, what you're supposed to do is when you push the weight, right? Let's say I'm doing like a bench press or something. I'm supposed to squeeze my chest, if that's what I'm working on every time I do it. I'm supposed to go in a slow and controlled motion, right? Really control the weight and squeeze whatever muscle part I'm working on. If I do that correctly, then lifting that bar 1 time out of the 100 times I'm going to lift the bar for the day, lifting the bar that 1 time correctly is a win. That's a micro win. Am I getting a bunch of micro wins or no? If I'm just going to the gym and I'm just doing this, and I'm just going through the motions, okay, then I'm not winning to the degree that I could be winning. Yes, it's good that I'm in the gym, okay? But I'm not getting the most out of every time I push that bar up, right? So when I go to the gym in the morning, or whenever I go to the gym, I have to win each exercise that I do. Each rep that I do, I have to win at. That's what success really is. It's a bunch of little micro wins. And if you get those little micro wins, 9 times out of 10, then the bigger goal will achieve itself. So very often it helps if we break things down into bite-sized chunks, right? There's an old saying, how do you eat an elephant? 1 bite at a time, right? So your goals, your big picture goals, are actually nothing but a series of little micro goals or micro wins, right? And my micro goal or my micro win might be, did I go to the gym today? And even breaking it down further than that, while I was in the gym, did I exercise to the best of my ability for that day, right? That's what I want you to ask yourself. Did you win today? Did you win today? If you win today more often than not, you will achieve your goals. And so don't think, especially if your goals are big and they might seem a little overwhelming at times, even though I know big goals excite you, sometimes they feel a little overwhelming, right? Break it down into steps, and every day sit there and take your little calendar and say, well, today is, Monday the 10th, I'm making this up, right? Today is Monday the 10th. Your only job is to win on Monday the 10th, or whatever the date is. That's your job. Don't worry about everything else. Just win today. Have a clear understanding and expectation of what you want to do today and win today. In your business, your goal today is to write one article, post one video, and email your list. Did you win today? When you were writing and breaking it down further, when you were posting your article or whatever, did you actually do the best you could in creating or posting that article? Or did you just slap something up for the sake of shits and giggles and then just throw it out there? Did you actually win at writing the article? Awesome. Did you win at emailing your list? Did you do your best to craft the message to the best of your ability? Awesome. Now, even if it didn't convert well, you did your best with regard to that. Did you do everything on your list by the end of the day? Awesome. That means you won for today. And that's all I ever want you to focus on is winning today. And everything you do, focus on winning that one thing. Before you know it, you'll have your goals and you'll just be straight gangster. You'll be throwing sexy everywhere. So that's all I got. Tara, does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, cool beans. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Feel free to share it, like it, comment on it, whatever. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.